Hello, my name is Cynthia. You're welcome to this channel. Here on my channel, we talk about matters related to faith, relationship, marriage, parenting, and anything that will make life better. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I want to talk about some safety tips we all need to practice at home, especially if we have kids around. If you are new on this channel, I thank you for your time. I thank you for clicking on this video. Please consider subscribing by clicking the red subscribe button and the notification bell that is just next to it, so that when next I upload videos, you will be notified. Thank you to all those that are always returning to view my videos. Thank you so much. May God bless you. So, without wasting any of your time, let's move into the video. Safety tip number 1. Remember to unplug your charger once you are done charging your device. This is extremely important because kids are playful. Imagine leaving your charger connected and your infant plays with your cable, and you know they always like to put stuff into their mouth and ends up putting that cable into his or her mouth. That might mean the end of the life of your child. So you want to be careful. Once you're done charging your device, unplug the charger first and then disconnect your phone so you do not forget. Safety tip number 2. Remember to lock your gas cylinder once you are done cooking. This is also important. Keep matches and lighters very far from the reach of children. Children of nowadays are such great explorers. If you leave these items within their reach, they might want to try things out. You know, who knows, they might cause an explosion and burn down the whole house. So please keep these items very far away from the reach of children. Safety tip number 3. Keep medicines far away from children. Sometimes when I give my kids medicine, when it's sweet, they'll ask for more. Mommy, can I have more? Mommy, can I have more? Imagine keeping these medicines where they can reach. Who knows, they might drink the whole content, and who knows what will happen after taking such an overdose. Sometimes also they might want to try adult medicines that look like candy to them. So who knows what will happen to them. You just want to be careful. It's better to be safe than sorry. So please be careful. Put these items away from children. Safety tip number 4. Remember to lock your doors when you have kids around. Infants, for example, if you live in houses that have balconies, remember to lock these doors and keep the keys where they cannot see. Because who knows, your child might just creep out of the house and before you know it, your child's life is gone. So please be very careful. Safety tip number 5, you want to keep cleaning chemicals very far away from your children. Like I said earlier, kids are explorers. Keeping cleaning chemicals is very dangerous. They might want to try it, they might want to drink it, they might want to do something else with it. So please keep these items very far away from your children for their own safety. I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will share it. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Please give this video a like, and please watch my other videos that I'm proposing and give them a like and a share. Thank you so much. May God bless you.